Hello everyone, and check out this upgraded solar camping fan designed for your next outdoor adventure. The powerful 8.5 watt panel charges fully in just 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. You get 4 airflow speeds that can run for up to 36 hours on a single charge. It features a built-in LED lantern and a USB port to charge your phone during emergencies. This lightweight fan folds down to under 3 inches thick for easy storage in your gear bag. Use the intuitive timer settings to save power while you sleep during those hot summer nights. It is the perfect companion for fishing trips or staying cool during unexpected power outages at home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.